In this video, we will be showing you the best humidifiers for your bedroom on Amazon today. So if you're looking for the best humidifier for your bedroom, we got you covered. And as usual, we have the links to all the humidifiers mentioned in this video in the description below. And make sure you like and subscribe for more videos like this. Now, let's go straight to the video. Number 5. LEVOIT Humidifier 5.5 liter warm and cool mist. With cool and warm mist options, the ability to diffuse essential oils or medicated liquid vaporizers, and a nightlight function, this LEVOIT humidifier truly has it all. Plus, its 5.5 liter capacity gives you 36 hours of runtime. A special sensor controls the amount of mist released in order to keep your room feeling just right, and a handy remote gives you even more ease of use. Our tester loved its compact form factor, its near-silent operation, and its overall performance. Even though he noted that it requires frequent filling, he said that overall, if you value design in your appliances, the LEVOIT was hard to beat. The predominantly white color palette with silver accents, as well as the glass clear hard plastic surrounding the modern digital display, is so similar you could mistake it for a new iMac, he said. Number 4. Taotronics Ultrasonic Cool Mist Humidifier. The Taotronics Ultrasonic Cool Mist Humidifier checks all the boxes in terms of function without a high price tag. Our tester called it whisper quiet. Other notable features, according to our reviewer, include a dual nozzle to target the mist in different directions, a built-in water purifier, and a power dial to adjust the mist strength. Once a water tank is low, the machine auto-detects to shut off. Our tester said the 3.5 liter water tank will last you up to 10 hours too. In terms of negatives, our reviewer cautioned that cleaning all the nooks and crannies is difficult. Overall, for an effective humidifier with customizable settings, Taotronics' roughly $30 price tag is hard to beat, she concluded. Number 3. Pure Enrichment Ultrasonic Cool Mist Humidifier. Reviewers say the best-selling Pure Enrichment Ultrasonic Cool Mist Humidifier is a great bedroom pick for a number of reasons. It's quiet, compact, easy to use, and effective. The 0.4-gallon tank is small, but you shouldn't have to refill it more than once a day if it's used only while sleeping. One of our testers liked that it's not an eyesore like some competitors and can be placed easily on a small table or shelf. Another plus is the fact that the AC power adapter detaches from the unit completely, which makes it easier to refill and clean. It also has an automatic shutoff and a nozzle that can be rotated 360 degrees, letting users direct moisture where it is most needed. Although, our tester said it was a little difficult to turn. Number 2. Essick MA1201. With a 3.6-gallon tank capable of a 12-gallon daily output and a coverage area of up to 3,600 square feet, the Essick Air Air Care MA1201 is a powerful option for the entire house. Users love the digital humidistat, which can be set to maintain the humidity level in your home automatically. They also say the side-mounted water tank is easy to remove, fill, and clean. On the other hand, our tester pointed out that the cost of replacing filters can add up. He also felt that its design was unattractive. Overall, though, he thought the unit was a good value because it was effective. The large fan and large wick combined to crank out moisture to the point where we saw condensation on the glass of our windows on a cold night, he said. Number 1. Honeywell HCM 350 Germ-Free Cool Mist Humidifier. The Honeywell HCM 350 Germ-Free Cool Mist Humidifier is a quiet, easy-to-use humidifier that's designed for larger rooms, 500 to 800 square feet. It's an evaporative humidifier, meaning it won't leave a thin film of white dust around the room if it's used with hard water, and the unit's ultraviolet light aims to kill any mold, fungus, or bacteria. The standout feature, though, is how easy it is to clean. In addition to the fact that the water tank has a fairly wide opening, so fitting your hand inside is no problem, the tester said. The water tank and water tray are also both dishwasher safe, as long as you place them on the top rack. So this makes any concerns about getting into tight corners obsolete. Our reviewer also found it to be very sturdy, but reported that she spilled water when trying to move it because the bottom detached. And a bonus, Vava ultrasonic humidifier. Just because you're on the go doesn't mean you should suffer through bad air quality. Whether you want a humidifier for your travels or simply want the flexibility to easily move it from room to room, the Vava ultrasonic humidifier is a perfect choice. Unlike bulky humidifiers, this one is designed with a slim and a sleek build to fit snugly into tight spaces. Featuring an easy-to-use knob control to mist at a full 360 degrees, it operates noise-free until the 4.3-liter tank is empty, automatically shutting off for safer use. A few customers warn of leaks, but the majority of users have been happy with this humidifier. Thanks for watching.